Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and then tomorrow never came? Excuses feel safe, but deep inside, they steal your time, your dreams, and your future. Every excuse is like a soft pillow, comfortable now, but heavy with regret later. The truth is, no one else is holding you back. The only wall between you and your goals is the excuse you keep believing. Today, it's time to break that wall and become stronger than your excuses. Excuses are the softest prison, keeping you safe today but stealing your tomorrow. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I'll do it later? That small voice feels harmless, but it quietly locks you in place. Excuses never shout, they whisper. They keep you comfortable but cost you opportunities. The longer you stay in that prison, the harder it becomes to break free. Even in learning English, one delayed step can mean years of regret. The loudest battles are not fought outside, but inside your own mind. We often think obstacles come from the world, but the real enemy is within. One side of your mind says you're capable, the other convinces you to quit. Which side wins depends on which you listen to. Taking one small action, like reading a page or practicing 5 minutes of English, is enough to let courage, not fear, lead. Big excuses collapse when faced with small, consistent steps. When goals look too big, excuses arrive to protect you. But walls are not destroyed in one strike, they fall brick by brick. The same is true for progress: one new word, one journal entry, one conversation each day. Over time, those small steps build a strength excuses can no longer stop. Comfort feels sweet today, but regret is bitter tomorrow. Excuses promise you rest, but what they really give is regret. Discipline feels heavy in the present, but it gives you freedom in the future. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Will you look back with pride at the actions you took, or pain at the chances you wasted? The decision is in today's choice. There is no perfect moment to begin. Waiting is just another form of saying no. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start when the time is right? The truth is, the right time never comes. Life will always be busy, messy, imperfect. Growth starts not when you are ready, but when you are brave enough to begin. Even with English, the perfect book, class, or teacher is less important than simply starting today. When you blame your excuses, you give away your power, but when you own your choices, you take it back. Excuses make it easy to point at time, people, or luck. But each time you blame, you also surrender control. Responsibility feels heavy at first, but it's the key to freedom. The moment you say, I will find a way, you stop being a victim and start becoming the author of your own story. Excuses are clever liars, but actions are the only truth. Excuses sound logical: I don't have time, I'm too tired, or it won't work anyway. They wrap failure in beautiful words. But the truth is never in words, it's in what you do. Even one tiny action breaks through the lie. Reading one page, running one block, or speaking one English sentence proves that progress is possible. Your future self is begging you to be stronger than your excuses today. Close your eyes and picture yourself 5 years ahead. Who do you want to be? That version of you is silently watching, hoping you'll choose courage over comfort today. Every excuse is like stealing from your own future. But every step of effort is a gift, a better body, a sharper mind, a stronger voice in English, a life that feels truly yours. The longer you feed excuses, the hungrier they grow. At first, skipping one task seems harmless. But excuses are like wild animals. The more you feed them, the bigger they become. One skipped workout turns into weeks. One missed practice turns into giving up. If you starve excuses by taking action, even a small one, they shrink until they can no longer control you. Fear dresses up as excuses, but courage undresses the truth. Many excuses are fear in disguise: fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being enough. They hide under safe sentences like "I'll do it later." But when you act with courage, the disguise falls away. You see that fear was never bigger than you. Each time you face the fear, speaking English aloud, applying for the job, you strip away another excuse. Discipline is painful once, but excuses hurt forever. It hurts to wake up early. It hurts to study when you're tired. But that pain is short. It ends the moment you finish the task. Excuses, however, plant seeds of regret that last for years. The choice is simple: one short moment of effort, or a lifetime of wondering what if. Which pain would you rather carry? Excuses break dreams, but courage builds legacies. Think of the people you admire. They didn't live free of fear or weakness. They simply refused to bow to excuses. Your own legacy will not be shaped by what you plan to do someday, but by what you fought to do today. Whether in career, relationships, or even learning English, your story will be defined not by your excuses, but by your strength to rise above them. Excuses may feel powerful, but they only live as long as you feed them. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory over that invisible prison. And remember, learning English is just like life, not about waiting for the perfect moment, but choosing progress over excuses every single day. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, is a decision to be stronger than your excuses. One day, you'll look back and thank yourself for being brave enough to begin. If this message touched you, stay with us on Tailcrafter English. Subscribe, follow, and let's continue this journey of growth, courage, and learning together. Your future self is waiting.